Hey, good morning. How are y'all doing? I was doing a quick audit of your website for Breckenridge Montessori, and incidentally, I had 3 kids that went to Breckenridge Montessori, so I hope everything is going well over there. So I was looking at your website, and I was trying to find out why your website wasn't ranking higher on Google. So I took your website name and put it in our tool to break out the different parts of the website so I could see what's going on. Now, first off is the title tag. So the title tag, like it says here, it's too long. It says who you are, which is good, and kind of what you do, but your location should be near the front or at the very front of your title tag, because that tells Google where you're doing business at. So when people are searching for Montessori school, your location is up front, and that'll help with your rankings. Meta description, that looks really good. I like that. With the H1 tag, your H1 tag is kind of like the cover to the book. It tells everybody what your website's about. What type of service do you do? And your H1 says, welcome to Breckenridge Montessori School. Now, if anybody searched for Breckenridge Montessori School, you would come up probably number 1. But most people, they don't know to search for Breckenridge Montessori School. They'll search for Montessori School near me, Montessori School in Richardson child care, stuff like that, So you need to change your H1 to specific keywords so that it can target people that are looking for your school. So when they type that in Google, your school comes up and you get the call. So it's not too hard to change your H1 tag. That's something you can easily do, or that's something I can do as well, So going to your website, I want to show you real quick how you can tell where you're ranking. Now, if you go to Chrome and open a regular window, if you open a regular window and you keep looking up your website and seeing how you're ranking, Google is smart, and they're going to know, hey, this person keeps bringing up this website all the time, so I'm going to move this up because it's more convenient for them, and we know they want this. So it's not a true indicator of where you rank if somebody else is searching for you in Google. So you should bring up an incognito window. This is a window that doesn't have history behind it, the history of your searches. It's just a pure search window. So it would give you results as if anybody in Richardson was searching. So I open an incognito window. I search for Richardson childcare. And the first page that I saw, y'all, it's right here, Breckenridge Montessori. It was on page 10. Now, if it's on page 10, nobody's ever going to get there to really see your website, so it's not really doing much for you. 96% of all the clicks on websites go on page 1 of Google. So page 1 is where all the power is at. If you're on page 1, then your website is a marketing tool that is bringing you business. And that's what I can help make happen. So let's go back. I want to show y'all page 1. One really good thing too is this map pack. Now, right now, you're not showing up in the map pack. See, they have Canyon Creek, Child Care Development Center, Richardson Learning Center Daycare. You want to show up right here when people search for Richardson Daycare or Richardson Montessori, because these people get a lot of business. They get a lot of traffic. So I can make that happen. I know on my website, it's at the top. It's number 1 on the map pack, and it shows up if anybody needs me. It's easy to find. And as far as the organic search results right here, you see Canyon Creek Daycare. They're up here too. Care.com, and then a couple of Yelp. These guys, I bet they get all kinds of business. Because when they search, this is what first comes up, and this is what people click on, first page. So if you can get on the first page, you can get above these guys, you're getting all that traffic. You're getting all those kids coming into your place. And I'm sure that's what y'all want. So that's what I do. I help with people ranking in Google, ranking in MapPack, so that it helps grow your business. If that's something you're interested in, just respond to the email or give me a call, let me know. And I hope y'all are doing well, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.